episode 2. Jeff has actually managed to suck up quite a few bees. You can hear a lot of buzzing from the box. We're going to try to smoke them, but our smoker's not working really well. Get that queen. Huh? Well, it's good to see. Yeah, but it's a good close-up shot, Jeff. I'm a videographer. Sacrifice for the shot of a lifetime. That's what I'm supposed to get. The process. Have we gotten stung yet?
No. Just a matter of time.
This could be a very long process.
Yeah.
And what will they do if the queen isn't in there? Will they still hang around, or do they go try to find another queen? No, I mean like in the box.
Oh. I'm not sure.
Are they getting out? Turds. Oh, now you're making a dent. There's the dent. I'll extend my arm, but not get my body any closer.